Hey guys, in this video, we'll take a look at 7Fig. Now, if you're looking for a detailed and honest review about this product, then this video will be very helpful for you guys. That way, you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out when it comes to using this method to build your list, alright? I'm not saying, guys, that this is a brand new method because there are other people out there, big names, using this kind of strategy to build their list, alright? And actually, guys, 7Fig is going to allow you to create an automated vlogging website and you monetize that website through affiliate offers from Amazon or Clickbank affiliate offers. And then you would also, with this method or with this system, you'd also build your list using this PDF and lead generation software right here. It's gonna allow you to build your list. I'm gonna show you how that works later in this video. And then you also have this content generator. It's gonna allow you guys to pull content from YouTube, right? That means you don't need to write your own content. Okay, so this is the website that you can create with 7Fig. And just like I said, guys, you would monetize this through different kind of offers from Amazon or Clickbank offers, right? Now, when you click on this one right here, it's gonna take you to an article page right here. Oh, so you have this hero section right here, you have this featured image, and you have this article right here, right? And you have this border section right here. Now you can customize everything right here, guys. But you don't need to write this article yourself because it's all automated. You'll be using content generator inside of 7Fig, and it's gonna allow you guys to full content from YouTube, right? And this right here is a content from YouTube. The software automatically transcribe those content or videos from YouTube and you know turn those videos into this blog post right here. So you don't need to write this yourself. And of course you need to check this because it's not perfect, right? Sometimes you have article that it's not really needed into your blog post, especially when you're promoting product. So you have to check the article yourself. That way you can make sure that your article is clean and unique, right? So yeah, so the way this works, guys, the way to build a list for this is that so you have this, read later, right? So if the person or the website visitor lands on this website right here and they really like your article right here and they wanted to you know, to read your article and using their mobile phone, or do you wanted your article to be formatted as PDF, so they would click right here and they would enter their name and email, and that's how you would build your list, and you will send them the PDF format of this blog post right here, and that's how you would build your list. All right. It has this buy button right here, which will, when you click on this, they will take you to an Amazon, website where, a person or a website visitor can learn more about this, and when they buy this product, inside of Amazon, then you make money. And of course, guys, you need to apply for an Amazon associate. That way you can integrate your Amazon, associate account inside of your 7Fig website. That way you can monetize it to make money, all right? Now, there are a couple of problems with this, guys. I'm gonna solve those problems with my custom-made bonuses right here. If you guys choose to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. My bonus number one for you guys is I'm gonna show you how to get 1,000 leads per day, and by the end of 30 days, guys, you have 30,000 leads that are interested in making money online. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this platform that will consistently send you 1,000 leads on complete autopilot. All right, so with 7Fig you'd be able to build your list, right? But this is more way, much better way to make money online, guys, because I'm going to show you exactly how to build 30,000 leads per month on complete autopilot. And this is so powerful, guys. You can make a lot of money with 30,000 leads, and you can promote any kind of products as long as it is money making, niche or um, piece of opportunity niche, right? That is my bonus number one for you guys. A bonus number two, guys, is inside of 7Fig, guys, you're gonna need to have an autoresponder, and they have suggested an autoresponder which is Melview. You're gonna need to purchase that software, right? So in this bonus right here, guys, I'm gonna give you access to an all-in-one automation software that comes with autoresponder, and this is the exact software, guys, that I use to build my list and to make money. All right, I'm gonna give you access for free. That way you don't need to purchase email autoresponder and build your list right here and send out unlimited emails on complete autopilot with this all-in-one automation software. Right, this also comes with landing page builder, EV testing. You can also monitor the stats with this, guys. It's so powerful automation software, and it's completely for free. Right, that is my bonus number one. That way you don't need to purchase MailView inside of 7 Fig, because you're gonna need to purchase MailView, and it's that really expensive. Right, that is my bonus number two. Bonus number three, guys, right? It's because you are building your list inside of 7 Fig, right? You're using this to build your list right here, and I'm gonna give you access, guys, to 200 plus done for you high converting email follow-up sequence. That way when you build your list, you also have this done for you high converting email follow-up swipes that you can plug in into this all-in-one automation software, and you know automatically follow up those leads to make money with different kind of offers, right? And then I'm gonna give you access, guys, as well to an automated software that will write an email for you on complete autopilot. So my bonus number four, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to my tree traffic strategy to drive unlimited traffic into your 7 Fig website, because you're gonna need to have an initial traffic to activate the referral system with this one, because if you don't send initial traffic to this, you cannot really make money, guys. Right, traffic is one of the most important thing when it comes to making money online. So I'm gonna give you access, guys, to my free traffic strategy to drive unlimited traffic to your 7 Fig website. That way you can activate your referral system, and other people will refer your website, and make and bring in more people and build your list fast, right? My bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get hundreds or thousands of targeted leads in any kind of niche, all right? And I'm gonna show you a software that will automate this entire process, right? This software will automatically find those leads on complete autopilot. That way you can, build your list fast, right? That is my bonus number five right here. My bonus number six, guys, I'm gonna show you how to hijack other people's YouTube channel and put your affiliate link into their YouTube channel, right? This is so powerful software, guys. Just don't use this to my YouTube channel, right? I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna give you access to a software that will hijack other people's content or other people's YouTube channel, and you can put your affiliate link to any kind of offer that you wanted to promote, right? That is my bonus number six. And then you get access as well, guys, to these additional bonuses right here. Bonus number one, bonus additional bonus for you is a business in a box, advanced secrets, unlimited traffic training that done for you, Google Ads, high converting pages, high ticket commission masterclass, Eclipse, Boomerang Buddy, Aurora Pro, Atomic done for you, Equinox Pro, 80 done for you, lead magnets, traffic training, my best traffic source tutorial, 300 CPA, 500 CPA, CPA copy shop method, 200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, 250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox. There's a lot of bonuses that you can get right here, guys. Commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, commission magnet, commission blueprint. Alright, those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up 7 Fig, through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, this is a sales page of 7 Fig. Now the headline says how we get 150 to 200 buyers added to my buyers list every day. Now this depends on the traffic that you bring in. Just like I said, guys, I'm gonna solve that using my custom made bonuses right here. Alright, so yeah, and then just watch this video right here. That way you can understand how the system works. Just read the information on the sales page. That way you can have a better understanding how the system works and have a better idea if it's something that can really help you guys when it comes to using this method to build your list. Alright, and they also have this bonuses right here, guys, that you can get access as well. You can get access to this bonus right here. So you have this 7 bonus right here as well. Alright, guys, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And my bonuses, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Royal Plus account. and you can get access instantly after your purchase of 7 Fig. And if you have any trouble accessing this document, I'm gonna just email me. I'm gonna put my email below this video. That way you can always reach me out and send me your purchase receipt. That way I can send you all of these bonuses completely for free. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye.